Okay, today I'm in Johnsburg, Illinois at a KLM Builders community called Brook Farm. Here, they're about to open 4 new maintenance-free single-family homes. They have a ranch home, they have two-stories, and the 4th one is a 2-story with a first-floor owner suite. Now I'm going to meet with the builder, Kim Meyer, and he's going to take us on a tour of these 4 new maintenance-free single-family homes.
Today I'd like to welcome you to our newest community at Brook Farms in Johnsburg, Illinois. We have 4 new models to tour. They're all maintenance-free single-family homes. They're all equipped with full basements, 2-car attached garages. 2 of them are ranch-style homes with the owner's suites on the main level, and 2 of them are 2-story homes. They're fully equipped, maintenance-free, like I said, no more snow to plow, no more grass to cut, just lock and leave at your leisure. And great community, great location, right off of Route 31. Come on out and take a look. This is our ranch model called the Maple. This particular home has 2 bedrooms on the main level, 2 full baths, full basement standard, 2-car attached garages. Comes with 2x6 exterior walls. It's very energy efficient. All high efficiency furnaces, high efficiency hot water heaters. As with all KLM homes, our kitchens are equipped with stone countertop standard. We have a half a dozen different choices of granite or quartz that you can choose from. We use 42-inch upper cabinets with crown molding standardly in our houses, and they're well applianced also. We have a freestanding range micro hood that's vented to the outside, as well as a dishwasher included. The flooring we use in this particular model is a laminate. It looks like a very wide plank hardwood floor. It's individual planks, but unlike hardwood, it's much more scratch resistant and it's waterproof. So it's a great floor for someone that has dogs or kids or just generally wants to not worry about scratching and maintenance of the floors. Now this is the owner's suite as we walk in. We did a step ceiling in this particular plan. It shows some crown molding, which is optional around the master bedroom suite. We did handicapped accessible doors in this ranch model. So all the main parts of the house have a 3-foot wide door, which is fully ADA equipped for wheelchairs or someone that's challenged. All of our bathrooms also come with stone countertop standardly. In this particular bathroom, we put a porcelain tile on the floor, and we did a tile that's unique. It's 24 by 48 inches, so they're 2-foot by 4-foot individual porcelain tiles. So they don't require any maintenance, and this is a matte finish, so it's very slip proof. We also did porcelain tile in the shower in this particular unit. If we go to porcelain tile in our bathrooms, we elect to use a porcelain tile baseboard instead of a wood baseboard, just because the bathroom is a wetter area. Now we're walking into bedroom 2 in the Maple Ranch. We furnished it as an office in this case, but it has the full reach-in closet that you'd find in any bedroom. Right off the entryway from the garage and right across from the 2nd bedroom, there's also a full 2nd bath on the main level in this ranch. In this case, we equipped it with a tub where the master bath comes standard with a shower. It also has a main level laundry room on our Maple Ranch. In this case, we added a built-in laundry sink, and we did front-loading washers and dryers and added some utility cabinets as well. All of our garages with the models come fully finished. They're all drywall taped and painted, so there's no raw studs. Throughout the maintenance-free homes at Brook, we also include several closets on the main levels and 2nd-story levels if it's a 2-story, so there's plenty of storage. All of our maintenance-free homes at Brook come with full basement standard. They're unfinished normally. In this case, we decided to finish part of the basement to show people what's possible. We added a big finished great room down here. We added a walk-up wet bar. We added another bedroom, a 3rd bedroom, and a 3rd bathroom down here as well. lots of opportunity to expand your living space. Even when you do finish the basements, we also equip these homes with lots of unfinished storage. Even in a finished case, you'll have a large storage area. The next model is our Redwood model. That is a 2-story. All 3 bedrooms in that case are up. You have 2.5 baths, full basement, 2-car garage. The third model in the lineup is the Hickory. That also is a 2-story home. It has a full basement, 3 or 4 bedrooms up. We do that both ways. We have a 4th bedroom option on the Hickory. They all come with 2.5 baths, again, full basements, 2-car attached garage. The Aspen, and that has a owner's suite on the main level. So that's what we call our main floor master. Owner's suite on the main level, plus an additional guest bedroom or den on the main level. And that comes standard with 2 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. So now you've got literally 4 bedrooms to start with, and you still have a full basement that you could grow into if you need more space. All of our maintenance-free models at Running Brook Farms in Johnsburg are open every Saturday and Sunday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. No appointment necessary. Just come on out and take a look. And while you're in the area, we have another 6 model homes that you can tour that are close by. And those will be various sizes and various styles of homes. So you could take a look at all of them in one afternoon. So come on out and take a look at KLM.